I'll just start this recording and then yeah. So today we'll see, like, as of now we have been handling only one screen, one web page that is opened on Selenium Webdriver. But what if there would be chances like when you click on some link, a new window would open, right? And if you click on some link, then some pop-up comes in. Then if your page does have some frames inside the HTML code, then how would be handling all those things? So if there are more than one windows open in your WebDriver, how would we perform operations on the second window instead of first window? If you have more than two windows, let's say three windows, then how would you perform operation on third window and then come back to second window and then perform operation and then come back to the first window and then perform your operation? So those kind of situation you would usually see in your manual testing as well. When you do the testing, like, you would see like many windows can open in a WebDriver, right? In a web page, right? So that's what we'll see. So there are few switch commands we have in Selenium WebDriver. So these switch commands helps us to handle these things. So how would we doing that? That we'll see. Fine. So I'll just create one package here. org.demo switch windows. Cast windows. Fine, and I'll copy the initial things that we required. Fine, and now I have one URL, this Naukri.com. So it will launch the Naukri.com. So if you open Naukri.com, what it shows? Let's see. If you're seeing, like, when you are opening this, these windows as well are coming, right? So what if I wanted to click on this Amazon, any link or anywhere I wanted to click on? Let's say this is in a small window. If I wanted to maximize it after opening this Naukri.com, then how would be handling that? If I want to perform some operation on this particular window, then how would be handling that? So this particular scenario we would look into. Fine. So how can we do that? So these 3-4 line you would have understood, like, we are just opening Naukri.com here, and if you go with mdriver.get window handle, there is a method in driver you would have get window handle. One of them is get window handle and another is get window handles. So get window handle gives you the basically the what I would say, the unique name of the window, and that would be in a string format. Fine. And get window handles returns you a set of windows those are opens. So it will give you the a set of window handles those are currently open with this WebDriver. Fine. So first of all, we'll just check, like, get window handle, what it gives and how would it be. Fine. So as I said, it will be returning an string m main window. So this is our main window, right? So if we print this, like, what is this value m window handle? We'll see, like, how it looks like. I'll just close this all. Then I'll just execute it. So it just launched the Navi.com, and all the windows those are coming, those are open here. And if you see, this is what it is printing. We printed this get window handles, right? This is what it is printing. So this is basically nothing but an hash code representation or a unique format of window name. So this window handle is the name of this particular window, main window, right? So with the help of this window handle, we'll move on. We can switch to any other window and can perform our operation. So this is for main window. But what about if I wanted to get the window handle of this window, then what I'll do? For that, what I'll do is mdriver.get window handles. Window handles means whatever the windows are open, it will return me a set of string. And that would be handles for all the windows. Fine. So now I have a set that would have the unique name for each and every window. So now what I'll do, I wanted to switch on to all the windows and wanted to print the title of all those windows. The title of this window is JP Morgan, and title of this window is RBS, and title of this window is Amazon, right? So I would like to print the title of all these windows. So how would I have to do that? So I would loop through this set, and then I'll do mdriver dot switch to dot window. When you do window, it's asking you an string value. This string value is nothing but the window handles that we get from get window handles. Fine. And then we'll pass this string. Fine. So now what it is doing is whatever the string window handle we are getting, it will switch to that particular window. And then after switching, then we can do anything. Like if you wanted to close that window, we can close that. If you wanted to print the title of that window, then we can print the title of that window. If you wanted to perform some operation on that window, you can perform some operation as well, like clicking on some link on that particular window, there we switched, or submitting some form or performing some operation on that window, there we switched. So we'll just print like what is the title of the window, there we are switching after doing this. So so it will print the title of the windows. Fine. So I'll just now run this and we'll see if it prints the title of. I'll close this first, this all. So see what it is printing. It's printing Windows title name is job recruitment, job this, and this is our main window that we had. This is our main window, right? Job recruitment and job. And if you see Amazon, this is our a different window that was opened, and RPS is a different window that was opened here, and then JP Morgan. JP Morgan is a different window. Fine. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to check if mdriver dot get title dot equals, if it's equal, the title is equals Amazon, if title is equal to Amazon, then I wanted to close that. So this is what the operation I wanted to perform on that particular window, Amazon one. So what this will do is it will print, it will close that particular Amazon window. It closed that Amazon window, right? Automatically. So as soon as it finds like, okay, after switching to that window, it finds like, okay, it is Amazon, the title of this window is Amazon. I would like to close this window. So I can close that. In the similar fashion, if I wanted to perform some operation out of that, then I can also perform operation like this window we have, right? I wanted to maximize it. Then what I will do? I can put in else if condition, else if mdriver dot get title equals rbs. Then what I would like to do is mdriver dot manage dot window dot maximize. With this command, we can maximize any window if it is not maximized already. So I'll just execute it. So what it will do is it will close the Amazon window that we have and it will maximize the RBS window that we have. If we don't maximize, we will see what happens. Since we are putting in else if, so any one of the command only would execute, right? WebDriver exception cannot get automation extension. Okay, so this is happening because we have to get the latest driver. There was a bug in WebDriver, Chrome driver that we used the previous one, that it does not support maximize of window. For that, we have to download Chrome driver. Download Chrome driver. So the latest Chrome driver would help us remove this Chrome driver 2.8. Okay, so we took the latest driver of Chrome, and since the previous version of the Chrome driver was having an issue, so now it should work. this maximize of window. Instead of else if, we should put if condition here, because else if would either execute if or else if, but we wanted to execute both of them. Still did not work. Target window already closed. Okay, it's not closed. This no such window acceptance comes in when let's say you do not have that particular window open, and if you are trying to perform some operation on that particular window, then it will throw that exception that no such window is available. If we have this window open and it's saying Amazon, okay, so we switch to that window. Okay. We'll comment out this and then we'll execute. Yeah, so it's maximized, right? But it maximized the Amazon one. Right? Maximize the Amazon one, not the RDS. Why would it do that? It's saying if mDriver.getDriver equals RDS. Okay. So here we are already doing this switching here, so that is why it is doing so. No, it should not do because of this. Why would it do that? And that will switch to this. Get pattern. If this equals RDS. We'll see this. So we'll see what is the title it is returning. Inspect. Okay. So it returns first window title that is not equal, and then it returns Amazon, so it is also not equal, and then it returns RBS and it should go inside it, yes, and then maximize, yes, but it's still doing this. Why would it do that? It's Amazon, and we switch into RBS.
What is RBS? RBS. JP Morgan. What is the title here? Is JP Morgan. Maybe something wrong is going on. I'm not sure what is happening and why it is doing so, because the titles of all those windows are clearly different. If you see here, it is showing RBS, so there's nothing wrong in this, and these all are also clearly the same thing, Amazon and all. So when we are saying like it's RBS, it should maximize that window only, because here we are switching into that particular window that does have the RBS window handle. And then we are saying like if the title is equal to RBS, then you go and switch to this RBS window. Similarly, in case like when we were doing here like get title dot equals Amazon, then close this Amazon window. So it could close that window, right? So in the similar fashion, it should go to there as well. We may look into this thing later on. I'll just uh, do some R&D like why it is happening specifically in this Naukri.com case. But this is how we do handle the windows. Fine. So if you have any questions regarding the window handles, like if we have more than one window, then how would we handle those things? Then you can ask. Any questions, Shivali? Shivali, are you on? Hello, hello. Hi, Shravali. Hello.